put the 1 in the box. 2, 0, negative 5, 8, negative 15. So we drop the 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 0 and 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Negative 5 and 2 is negative 3. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. 5 times 1 is 5, and we end up with negative 10. So we do have a remainder, constant x, x squared, x cubed. So 2x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 minus 10 over an x minus 1. So that is the answer. Okay. Now, if I were to do this by long division, move this down a little bit here. If I were to do this by long division, we also have to have that in the box, that 0. 2x to the 4th plus 0x cubed minus 5x squared plus 8x minus 15. What times x gives you 2x to the 4th? 2x cubed minus 2x cubed. 0 minus a negative 2 is a positive 2. What times x gives you 2x cubed? 2x squared. 2x squared is a negative 2x squared here. Negative 5 minus a negative 2. Negative 3x squared plus 8x. What times x gives you negative 3x squared? Minus 3x. Negative 3x times x, negative 3x squared. Negative 3x times a negative 1 is a positive 3x. We subtract. And we get 5x minus 15. What times x gives you 5x plus 5? You get 5x and a negative 5. Negative 15 minus a negative 5 is negative 10. So minus 10 over x minus 1. And you notice you get the same exact answer through long division or through synthetic division. The last one I'm just going to do synthetically, so we have time to go over the sum and difference of 2 cubes. 2, negative 8, 5, 7, negative 18. Drop the 2. It's 6. That's negative 2. Negative 6 and 5 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. That leaves me with 4. 4 times 3 is 12. That leaves me with a negative 6. Remainder, constant, x, x squared, x cubed. You do have to write the final answer. That is a requirement. If there's time at the end, I will do it the long way as well. So, factoring sum and difference of 2 cubes. A cubed minus b cubed is equal to this. Same sign. A squared, opposite sign. AB, always positive, b squared. If you have a sum of 2 cubes, it is same sign between the a and b. A squared, opposite sign, AB, always positive, b squared. Okay? You have to know these formulas. They will not be given to you. So if you want something to study, those formulas you need to know. If you know the formulas, it's easy. If you don't really have a chance. Okay? This represents 27x cubed plus 64. That represents a cubed plus b cubed. So my a in this case is going to be 3x, and my b is 4. I'm literally just plugging into the a cubed plus b cubed formula. 3x plus 4. Remember, when we square 3x, we square the 3 and the x. Minus 3x times 4 is 12x. And my b squared, always positive, is 16. This is your answer. This one here, 216x cubed minus 125 represents a cubed minus b cubed. My a here is 6x, and my b equals 5. So it becomes 6x minus 5. The quantity 6x squared is 36x squared, plus opposite sign 30x, plus 25. And that's that fact. All right. Since we do have the time here, I am going to go back and do this one by the long division. All right. So when I do this by long division, this problem is x plus 3, x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 5x plus 8. Ooh, nope. Copy down the wrong one. Hold on. This one. 2x to the fourth, minus 8x cubed plus 5x squared plus 7x minus 18. Let's make sure that is the right one. So, yep, okay. So, what times x gives you 2x to the fourth? 2x cubed. 2x to the fourth plus x minus 2. There we go. Okay. There. Okay, so this is the correct problem right here. What times x gives you 2x to the fourth? 2x cubed. 2x to the fourth times x is 2x to the fourth minus 6x cubed. When I subtract negative 8 minus a negative 6 is negative 2x cubed. Bring the 5x squared down. What times x gives me negative 2x cubed? Negative 2x squared. So now I have negative 2x cubed plus 6x squared. 5 minus 6 is negative x squared. Bring the 7x down. What times x gives you negative x squared? Minus x. We have negative x squared plus 3x. 7x minus 3x is 4x. 4x minus 18. What times x gives you 4x plus 4? And then 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Negative 18 minus negative 12 is negative 6. So that becomes my remainder, minus 6 over an x minus 3. And if you notice, long division or synthetic division,